Hey everyone, welcome to the first Wakelet News Splash of 2020. We're going to be talking about 3 new updates today. The first one is the Buncee integration that we recently released, the second one being the Student Ambassador Program, and the third one being the Wakelet inspiration page for educators. So Buncee is an amazing creation and communication platform which allows you to share presentations in a really interactive way. When you paste a Buncee link into a Wakelet collection, it will automatically embed straight into Wakelet and you don't have to leave to view it. What's really cool about Buncee's being embedded into Wakelet is that you can benefit from all the interactive features that Buncee provides, supplemented with the other types of content in your collection, and we can't wait to see how you use it. We recently released our Student Ambassador Program, which is all around the 5 C's with the 6th one, which is curation. We'd love for your students to get involved, so if you're interested in learning more, please check out this link below. We've also just released the Wakelet inspiration page, which is called the Wakelet Surf School. And this is meant for all the educators that want to see some more of the basic use cases of Wakelet to see how you can use it in the classroom, with your students and with your PLM. This is just a start, so please let us know if you have any feedback on the page, and if there's any other content you'd like to see on there, just let us know. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Wakelet, some of our updates and use cases, head over to our blog, which is at blog.wakelet.com. We also have regular updates on our LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube, so please check them out as well. And we'll catch you next time.